Secret Agents. Today I finished it. And also you might be wondering what is wrong with my skin. So I found this really cool skin and this is what it's gonna be. Because I didn't exactly like the other one. So we're gonna be keeping it like this. And I forgot a brush. I forgot a lever. So we're gonna get a lever. And this is going to be epic. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay. Let's see. Let's do that. Break it! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pro skills, pro skills, pro skills. So this is like a little agency for right now. We might be like extending it, but yeah. Now I'm going to be changing my voice because you guys don't want to keep hearing like a really deep voice. So I'm gonna change it and we're gonna do it. Hey guys, this is my new voice. So yeah. Also, I really am getting tired of just looking at the skin. So, ooh, a warrior. I can't be. Ooh, medieval knight. We're gonna be the medieval knight. Oh yes. Oh yes. Those blue eyes. Okay, so let's get to work. What are we gonna be doing in here? Well, this is going to be the kind of like our living room because it's kind of like our agency vibe, but it's gonna be like a living room. So we kind of want to get stuff that looks like an agency. So we're gonna get quartz half slabs and go over here. Let's have a gray couch. We're gonna have a gray couch. That is looking like a really good couch. So let's do this. And yeah, I've done it. Watch me moonwalk on the couch. Moonwalking on the couch. My head's digging into the couch. Okay, this couch is really comfy. So let's see. So we got that. Let's see if we can make a chair. We're gonna have a red chair. Let's make a red chair. Like Mickey Mouse or something. And then put red there, and then boom. Nice! Nice little red chair. Looks like I got my grandparents' chair. But they have it down. They got rid of it because they got nailed. What the heck? Yeah. I keep forgetting. Seriously? Hate open door just like that, but we gotta have an iron door. And they did? Oh, anything in here? Hello? Anything in here? Let me get redstone. And it's gonna go from here, and it's gonna go over to the door. Or it's going to not go over the door like that, and we're just gonna place dirt like that, and let's see what happens. Nice! I mean, you really gotta be like standing next to the door. Pro skills, I'm pushing buttons. Oh my gosh, yes! Yes! Oh, I can't. Yay! Okay. So, let's get rid of this. So what else should we do? I want like a little mini fridge. Yeah, let's get a mini fridge up in here. So I only need like 2 blocks. Oh, okay. I could just kind of do this. I don't know. Hold on. Does that look like a mini fridge? I don't think this looks like a mini fridge. Mini fridge. Okay. So let's just these have slabs. If I can, I don't know how this is going to look. But let's see. Oh yeah, this is looking like a mini fridge. That looks like a mini fridge, kind of. Does it look like a mini fridge? I mean, we're gonna have to do it. We're gonna have to take it because I don't know what else to do. So we're gonna get a dropper or dispenser. We're gonna get a dispenser. We're gonna put it there, and we're gonna put these on it. That does not look like a mini fridge because we haven't done something yet. We haven't done it yet. Anyway. Trust me guys, it's nothing evil, trust me. It's this. Boom. Now I gotta get iron blocks again and everything like that. Just fix this because we don't want any dirt showing. No, we do not. So let's do this. Oh, that was way too thick. That was on the face. So there's our little mini fridge. It's not exactly mini, but it's fine. So let's now get a button to put there. And we'll put food in it later, but not right now. So here's kind of like our little hangout space done. But yeah, I'm sadly going to have to end the video here, guys. If you did enjoy, then please hit that like button with your mini fridge, and also to that subscribe button. And see you guys in the next Agent Pig video. Goodbye, secret agents.